I'm literally glowing, okay? If you are not using Korean skincare products right now, what are you doing? Like, it literally gives you that glow. It's always better to take care of your skin underneath the makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Style the Body. Listen, the weather is finally getting better. My seasonal depression is coming down, okay? Because this winter has been so brutal and I don't function well in the winter time. Like, I literally cannot even do anything. But the weather's getting better now. I'm super excited. I feel like this year is gonna be so good. I'm gonna be on here more, I promise. Fingers crossed. I just woke up and I'm gonna do my skincare routine. If you are new here, welcome. The name is Style the Body. On this channel, it's all about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, and a lot more. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you stick around. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Okay, so today I'm doing a skincare routine. I've been trying these products from Medicube and I absolutely love them. This video is not sponsored. I literally bought everything. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to work with them in the near future because I really do like their products. I feel like it's making my skin feel and look a lot better. So I'm going to show you guys what I've been using. I'm going to wash my face now. I'm going to start with the Zero Foam Cleanser. I love this cleanser. You don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. And, you know, to wash your face, get all the dirt out, all the oil from the previous night, previous day, whatever. So I'm going to use this cleanser to wash my face. So after I wash my face, after I cleanse my face, and I'm going to go in with the Zero Pore Pads. These are really good for your pores. Then I'm going to go in with the PDRN Soothing Toner. I love this toner so much. This is how much I've been using it. I already run out of this bottle. So yeah. And after I'm going to go in with the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. I love the serum so much. It actually is really good for your face. So these are the steps. This is how I use them. After that, I'm going to use the vitamin C capsule. I love this vitamin C capsule. Love this vitamin C capsule cream. It literally has vitamin C capsules in them. So you take it, mix it with the gel, and then you put it on your face. It leaves your skin so hydrated. You get the vitamin C, and a little bit goes a long way. So this is literally probably my favorite out of everything. Then I also use the collagen jelly cream. This is also really good. It's very thick, it has collagen in it, and leaves your skin feeling so good. Then the last thing is the Medicube One Day Exosome Shot 2000. So I use this like every 2 to 3 days. It's good for your skin. Then the last thing that I usually would use these like at nighttime. This is the PDRN Collagen Mask. You put it on your face, you leave it like overnight or like over 3 hours, and it literally absorbs into your skin. By the time you take it off, your skin feels so soft, so supple, so beautiful. This was the first product that I bought from them and I was sold. This is the Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. This mask, listen, mask is so good. I literally, you see how much I've been using it. I have a new one somewhere. But yeah, this mask is so good. Like, you put it on your skin like you are, so it's gel liquid. You put it on your skin, you leave it to dry, and you go to sleep. Okay, by the time you wake up, you peel it off and it leaves your skin So amazing. I'll try to leave a video somewhere of when I use it. So I use this like once or twice. So I use this like twice a month, 2 to 3 times in a month, and I absolutely love it. This night wrap gel mask, 10 out of 10. I swear by this product. Okay, this was the first item I got, and after I was like, oh, I need to try everything they have. Okay, so let me show you guys what I do. So I'm gonna wash my face with a zero foam cleanser. You just need just a little bit. I should have wet my face first, but it's okay. Wash, 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 wash. Okay. Okay, so now my face is clean. Do not wipe your face with your towel. Get a clean paper towel or a clean face towel and clean your face. There's always so much bacteria already in your towel. So yeah, make sure you're using like a face cloth. Make sure you're using like paper towel or a face cloth to wipe your face. My face feels clean. Okay, so next up I use the zero pore pads. So it comes with this little like tweezer thing that you just pick it up with. See how much I've been using it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This side, one side is embossed, so that's the part that you're gonna use. I don't know if you guys could see it. So yeah, I'm gonna use that part. I'm gonna grab another. Okay, so this is what I do. My nose ring. This is really good for your pores. How much? This literally exfoliates your skin. The black stuff is from my lashes, the eye glue. But yeah, it literally exfoliates your skin. This is after I have washed my face. Okay, so next up I'm gonna use the soothing toner. These are just the steps that I do. This really helps to tone your skin. Don't forget your neck. Very, very important. Take it down. You can still see. So even after you tone your face, exfoliate, there'll still be. You see that? Like, wow. Okay, so next up I'm gonna use the PDRN peptide serum. This leaves your skin so soft, so supple, skin so hydrated. So I let that sit for a while so that it can absorb everything. Okay, so next up is my favorite, the vitamin C capsule. So it comes with this little scoop thing that you use to scoop it, just like that, which is really thoughtful, so you don't have to be digging your hand into it. I really think I be overusing this cream. Because of how much I use, but that's how much I love it. And usually I will mix it all together and then rub it in, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video. But yeah, this vitamin C, yeah, I definitely took too much, but it will still absorb into my skin perfectly. Yeah, I took way too much. Like, I wish you guys could feel and see how it makes your skin feel. Take it down my neck, since I used, take it down my neck. I have way too much anyway. Like, it leaves your skin so glowy, literally glossy. That's the word. Like, leaves your skin feeling so amazing. Okay, so I leave the products on for it to absorb into my skin, because each product does something different, so it's always good to leave it for a little bit, let it absorb into your skin. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, like, I'm literally glowing. Okay, if you are not using Korean skincare products right now, what are you doing? Like, it literally gives you that glow. It's always better to take care of your skin underneath the makeup. It feels so... Okay, so the last thing I'm going to use is the collagen jelly cream. I have some errands to do, so this, I'm just going to put this on, and that's all I'm going to do for today. So yeah, this is my morning routine. I'm going to do another video to show you my nighttime routine with like the mask, but basically the same process, but I will just use the Exosome Shot 2000 and probably either one of the night max. So that's the only difference. So you just need a little bit of the collagen jelly cream. Like, this puts the cherry on top, literally locks everything in. And that's it. Skin is literally glowing. And I am so in love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Leave me comments. Let me know if you're gonna try this. Leave me comments, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.